Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinwe Izukane. This is a beauty channel and I have another birthday makeup transformation for you all. And I had to prep her skin very well because she has this dry skin, and all the products that I used for this makeup transformation, you will see them on the screen and will also be in the description box. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. This client is a regular one on my channel. She's one of my constant clients. Yeah, so she only loves one lip color, and that is wine pencil and pink lipstick. She doesn't like any other color. So I'm just going to allow you to watch and then I'll see you in the end. Okay, like I said, it's a birthday glam, and after the makeup session she went for a photo shoot. Okay, so watch till the end for you to see beautiful photographs. Okay, my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to the family. Thank you very much. You're welcome. To my friends that have always been here supporting me, I read your comments. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. So do enjoy this video and I'll see you in the end. Okay, so that is it for this look, and I hope you enjoyed. Let me know your favorite part of this look: the eyebrows on fleek, the eyeshadow, the lip color. Now this is her favorite lip color, oh yes, and I had to control her edges too. Now this look is beautiful. Please leave me your comments, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. Please share this video and give me a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. All right, and you can see how happy she is. She really loved her look. And please follow me on my social media handles. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, and thank you for watching.